Right, another day, another HEMA. Llanmadoc Hill on the Gower Peninsula. We're doing HF. Another HEMA member is up in Scotland, so I'm going to try and chase him. That's the plan. Should be quite interesting. Obviously near to the sea, so the salt ground plane should be in action. Right, chuck some money in the honesty box. He says as he can't find his coins. And let's go walking. Of course, got here dead early to get a parking spot because it's a bank holiday weekend. So I've got to get out early to avoid all the traffic and all the tourists. Then again, technically I'm a tourist, so anyway. See you further up. Right, not at the top yet, but got a fantastic view. Swansea's over there-ish. Reckon Beacon's further over. Pendine Signs is that way-ish. A couple of sheeps on there and rams. Not quite on top yet, but fantastic day out so far. Going to try and do this one for Potter. Parks on the air. I've only ever done one park on the air. You can't really call it a park, it's more like a car park with a spare bit of ground. So I'll have a look at the Potter maps when I get to the summit, see if it's close to one of them, because if you look on UK Potter, the spots everywhere, and there's little area of outstanding natural beauty and blah blah, but it doesn't give a boundary. So I might be in 3 of them at once, I don't know. So I'm not slacking off Potter, but I think it's more of an American thing. I don't think it's taken off in England, to be honest. But we should see how it goes. I am going to be using a logging software called HEMA, which I will review at some point, and use that to log Potter. If I log everything as a Potter, then I can transcribe it later to HEMA. We don't have an uploading feature yet for HEMA, thus you got to manually put it in. We shall see anyway. And fair bit of walking to go yet, so not quite there yet. Steps up. M0CVO Magitana. 7 metre mast, which the guy in slipped down earlier, so yeah, I think that that 7 metre mast is on its way out. Zego G90 again, and I've not spotted on Potter just yet, but yeah, it is a bit windy again, so looks like I'll be trying to muffle the wind up with the microphone. But one thing I noticed an issue with the G90, I've only had it for less than a year, is the microphone connector. It keeps sliding out. There's no way to, well, it used to like just clip in, and now it's just, yeah. So I think it must have got knocked at some point. Yesterday it kept on coming out, and when I pulled it out, it went into transmit, which is not good. Luckily I had an antenna connected, I didn't bugger the radio up, but yeah, I want to show that, so I'll post on the G90, Zego G90 Facebook group, see if anyone else has had a problem, I'll see if I can fix it. I'll also send it back to Zego, whichever you want to pronounce it. Slightly early from the activation anyway, so I'm going to put a few calls out and see what the bands are like. probably going to be crap no more.
The beam is pointed in your direction about 300 degrees north-northwest, and the signal is very fine and clear here in Germany, Dom. So I wish you 7 trees and happy contacts here on the 20-meter band, and have a nice Monday there. 2 Whiskey Zero, Kilo Italy Oscar / Portable, DM4 KCS, Roger.
Yeah, no worries there, Chris. Just using a G90, Zego G90, 20 watts into an end fed. So, yep, all good today, Chris. And best 73. And perhaps catch you further down. Ciao for now, 73. Cheers and beers.
Ciao for now, Dom. 2 Whiskey Zero, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, DM4 KCS. Bye-bye, good luck.
Bye-bye. Kilo Z, 2 Whiskey Zero, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ, CQ, CQ. 2 Whiskey Zero, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ, standing by. Oh, Chris in Germany, cheers for that one, mate, if you're watching. So the NFED does work, the bands are getting there, but I've qualified anyway, so see what else I can steal.
No worries, fella, thank you very much. I will start getting on the keyboard and get you advertised. Brilliant stuff, thank you very much. That's them free.
2 Whiskey Zero, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable.
Whiskey Zero, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. This is 2 Echo Zero. This is 2 Mike Zero, Victor Oscar Oscar Portable. This is Ben, Bravo Echo November. Nice to call you again, Tom.
Yep, cheers for that one, Ben. HEMA Summit Hotel, Sierra Whiskey 014. I knew about 5 and 8, 5 and 9, mate. Go ahead.
Roger, Roger. You're a 5 and 8 also. 5 and 8 also. Over.
Yep, cheers for the signal report. Is your dad about? I'd like to work him as well.
Passing to M7 LAS. Hello mate, how you doing? Apologies for the delay, all sorts of logistical problems this morning. This is Golf Mike 7, Lima Alpha Sierra Portable on Kernock Hill. Lovely to catch you down there in Llanmadoc Hill, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, Rob. Same signal report for you as well. And yeah, I've been waiting for you. I'm getting cold up here. There's a bit of a wind there. Go ahead.
Yeah, no, it's about 30 degrees Celsius up here, mate. It must be the only week it's been like that in Scotland for about the last 20 years, I would have thought. Hi, obviously joking. I've been up here before in nice conditions, but beautiful weather, mate. Hope your holiday's going well, QSL.
Yeah, QSL. 3 HEMAs in a holiday. Possibly Penny Fan, maybe tomorrow, the day after. Well, that would just be 2 meters. Penny Fan and Cribbing tomorrow, I think. But yeah, it's been fantastic down here. We've had an entire week of sunshine, so I'm going to make the most of it. Anyway, I'll let you crack on, Rob. Cheers for the HEMA to HEMA and the unique as well. And best 73s to you and your son, and safety sense, etc.
Yeah, thanks, Dom. I really appreciate you hanging on, mate. I know that's not ideal. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. Gonna be doing a few more HEMAs up this way in the coming few days. Potentially work you again. I'd love to work you from Cribbing if you're gonna do that. Fair old slog on, my friend. 2 Whiskey Zero, Kilo India Oscar Portable, Germany Mike 7, Lima Alpha Sierra Portable. Appreciate it, Dom. Have a good one, mate. 7-3.
Yeah, no worries, Rob. 73. Cheers and beers. Catch you soon. Bye bye.
Cheers now. Returning the microphone to 2 Mike 0, Victor Oscar Oscar Portable.
Well, there is some Intergy on 40, so that was young Ben and Rob. And they've got a pile up as well. So yeah, yeah, I was hanging around a bit for them. They had logistical problems, so maybe work them at some point tomorrow or the day after. Anyway, I think I might see what's on 2 meters, then I'm going to pack up. I feel like packing up now. I think I might just pack up and go to the beach. Anyway, we shall see. Right, that's that. Didn't do 2 meters. The sun is out and it's quite warm, but once the breeze gets going, it does get cool a bit. But it was good to work Dan and Rob up in Scotland, so that's a HEMA unique chase for me. And just going to walk down, go back to the car park, and after that I don't know. See if I can get on the beach for a bit, I don't know, see what I feel like. But yeah, that's it. And that's it for another video. And at least I got some contacts on video before people start saying, oh, you're making this up. Anyway, thanks for watching and catch you on the next one. Bye for now.